So today, I'm showing you how to make chicken teriyaki with only 250 calories per serving and no added sugar. And when you pair it with cauliflower rice and broccoli, you've got a filling lunch that's only 330 calories. Preheat your oven on 375 degrees. We'll prepare everything while the oven heats up. We'll need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast for this recipe. We won't oil the chicken to save on calories. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix your seasonings together, then rub the seasonings on your chicken breasts. Be sure to flip them over and season the other sides as well. Take out a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Place your chicken breast on the baking sheet. Then we're done with the chicken for now. Now we'll prepare the sauce. Take out a medium-sized bowl. Then add half a cup of low-sodium soy sauce. Add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of monk fruit or allulose. These work the best for a lower calorie chicken teriyaki as they won't have a bitter or metallic aftertaste after cooking. Finally, add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes if you'd like a little bit of heat. Go ahead and give everything a mix. Your oven should be ready by now. Add your chicken into the oven and bake it on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. While the chicken bakes, we'll get the sauce ready. Turn a burner on medium-low heat. Place a skillet on top and give it a light spray of oil. Add your sauce into the pan and give it a few minutes to heat up. Now we'll thicken the sauce. Mix 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water and then pour it into your sauce. Stir it for about a minute or two until it thickens up. Then we're done with the sauce. If you're making a chicken teriyaki plate like I am, you can cook 1.5 cups of raw cauliflower rice along with 1 cup of raw broccoli on the skillet. Cook them on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, then set it aside for now. Once the chicken is done baking, remove it from the oven. Now we'll coat the chicken with our sauce. Use a pastry brush to coat the chicken with your sauce. Be sure to coat both sides of the chicken. Save the leftover sauce to pour over your chicken when you pair it with a side like rice, veggies, or stir fry. Finally, we'll garnish the chicken with some sesame seeds and some chopped green onions. Then you're good to go with your chicken teriyaki. Go ahead and plate about 5 ounces of your chicken teriyaki with your cooked cauliflower rice and broccoli. Then you've got yourself a 330 calorie lunch that satisfies that chicken teriyaki craving while still helping you to build muscle and lose fat. Store any leftovers, including the sauce, in the fridge for up to 5 days. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high-protein dinner recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.